Okay, I'm going to remove the old gas pedal. I don't know if you can see down in here. It takes 2 bolts. Well, ½ inch, 3/8. There it is. Okay, the reason that's coming out, cable operated, that's mechanical. I was going to use the original Chevy pickup gas pedal, but there's no real place to mount it to where it's going to be functional. So I'm probably going to have to buy an aftermarket one, and they're a little pricey. Over here, it is extra weight that we don't really need though. The other thing I want to do, the rear end differential. And it looks like none of these. So, that's going to take a little more investigation, but I really want to put like a spool and some good gears in this so we can take advantage of what little horsepower we actually do have. Oh, that brings me to another point. If you think you have parts that might fit this and you want to donate them to me or sell them to me or whatever, hit me up in the comments. I need rear end parts, I need brake lines, stuff like that. Little stuff. Just hit me up. Also, don't forget to watch the videos in full. Like them, subscribe, share them, and we'll see you next time.